Ceiling Fan Destruction 5. We got this, I think it might be a landmark with full blades I got from my neighbor. I don't really need them because I don't have a full blade fan unless the things are small, so yeah. I really don't need the blades, and they'll take it up my storage, and I'm kind of angry right now. So yeah, let's destroy this thing right here. First we have a fan blocket. We have 3 of them, so we know all 3 of them. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna do that. Maybe. Second blocket, it's a different blocket. It's a little bit tougher. Whoa! Look at this. Oh yeah, it's not loud enough by the way. I want to attach gloves to it, destroy it with gloves on. The workshop's too dark. Plus there'd only be 1 globe. There we go. Now we got spinning. Oh! Dang it. Oh, we got a little dent. Well, look at that. Fudge. Yeah! Look at that, guys. Oh! Oh, murder housing. Oh! Guys, you want to see how fast this thing goes? Yo! Yo. Man, get your spinning! I missed that so bad. I'm gonna touch these ones to it. Oh, look at that. This thing's gone for some kicks. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna put it down yet. Maybe later. Just bend up the blades a little. Wow, blade pitch is so nice. Guys, my blade pitch is so nice, isn't it? Oh, why is that supposed so much air flow? Oh, I can't get that. Yeah, hello. That's how tall I am! Surprise, motherfucker. Oh! Oh my god! Yeehaw, boy! Oh yeah, I'm also gonna be recording my tablet. I kind of want to wire it up. Guys, I'm gonna wire it up. Be right back. guys, I'm back. Just good boy. See, I'm gonna wire it up. Guys, I'll let you know when it's wired up and there's a bulb put in it. On the switch full walnut. Wait, was that walnut? Unfortunately not. I have to go to a dark, dingy, scary workshop. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just being stupid. We could go to a workshop. See, I would have did the fan section here, but couldn't. Too dark. Not a lot out here. We're in the dark. Anyways, guys, since I got a cool little light now, I'll let y'all know when it's wired up. Alright, guys, I kind of got it wired up. The fan also works. Here, I'll turn it on for you. Where it works and doesn't work at the same time. See, yeah, it does this. It vibrates and it doesn't, but it does this one. But when we destroy all the blades, oh heck yeah, it's gonna start spinning. Not fast enough to please people. Unless you're just one of those kids that like everything fan as long as it spins, like one of the no restriction kids. I'm not gonna have this thing light up for long, bro. I might even destroy the, yeah, I'm probably gonna destroy the orange bulb in it too. I hate orange. Clemson. Sorry if I hate Clemson. So my tablet is recording, so I'm gonna sit right next to the phone. I'm gonna sit over here so I get to No, we're switching spots. We're switching up some spots. I just got the best view ever. Yay, now you guys can see my reaction. Enjoy. Why Switch that's halfway empty. I'm not gonna fall. Light switch. Ooh! Oh, it flew some. I flew the light switch. Ball. Is it clapped? No? Spinning! I'm so pleased! I was leaning on the camera. Chug! Stop. You guys really think I'm wasting water? That's actually not. What? Purple plushie! I know you guys are getting bored with this and stuff, and it's doing literally no damage, so. Bend it upside down now. Look at this, oh, this place is flexible. It's amazing. Some turned it on, I don't know what it was. I'm gonna bend all the blades back in, I'll spin it. Why is it still vibrating? It doesn't need to be vibrating anymore. I can't even do this stuff. I'm talking over. I'm not real. Ooh! It spins now. I wish. See? Would have used this, but we got this. Ooh. Lights. I got no outside screws so loose here. I'm gonna take these screws out to make it a little bit more entertaining. And I might have a better chance of breaking the blades. So yeah. These blades are bad. Looking bad. Easier to get these blades off. It's kind of that blade's probably going to come off in a second. So yeah, like this. That. Budge. I got a budget. Oh, damn, it's light. Oh, that person just stopped making keep blacks. I like the blade that's not the black as I hate. Ooh, that's got close. That's one blade off. Alright, that's it for now. Oh! Put that back into normal shape. Yeah! Get that from not working. I like blackheads though. I really do. Blades actually. No, I have 3 blades. I got 3 blade sets. This is the one. That's one I don't need. Look, this freaking goofy looking thing. Out of here! Oh, 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 oh. That came off. I'm gonna end it here. I don't really do much anymore. Oh yeah. Sooner or later, I don't know when, they'll start going crazy.
You don't see Ashley's trying to call?
Huh?
You don't see Ashley's trying to call?
No, I just did not try to call.
Yes, she did.
Why didn't it reach it?
Huh?
It didn't reach it.
Okay, well, it's time to get in the bathtub.
Alright, I'll be in there in a little bit.
No, it's time now.
In a little bit. I swear I'll be in there in a little bit.
What do you mean a little bit?
Probably in a couple minutes because I'm doing a video right now.
We got like 5 minutes.
Yeah. So, we broke 1 blade and 1 mold. Well, I'm trying to finish. Why? If I had 2, I just realized I have 3 left, so why not just do this? Fine, if you don't want to blink up, I'll do it myself. Wow, well this thing is screwed. Alright, fine, it won't come off, so I'm just gonna take it off. Take all the blades off. Just for I guess it's got a little too self-defensive. So I'm just taking blades off because I want this video to last a little bit longer. This one's a little uncomfortable. This one's on the all joint now. Oh, I just got violated that screw. Oh. Told you so. Yeah, guys, now we got spinning. Many men. Wait. Oh, I did it. What? Oh. 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 Oh my God. Whoa. Plug. Remove these. Why not stands? Oh, how did you got? Probably all my longest videos yet. Or longest fan instructions, I should say. What am I in this right now? Just kidding. Oh, I know. Oh, you hit the phone. Alright. Take these few brackets off. at this. The metal will be saved. I'm probably going to take the metal housing off of it. Only switch caps, okay. You know what? Before I end this, got it. I will floor that away a little. I will take apart the motor a little. Probably tomorrow. You son of a bit, okay. Bye guys.